Hey, what's up, y'all? This is just a quick video with an animated subscribe button that I created myself. No worries, there's not going to be any type of copyright on it. It's just free to everyone. I figured since I was able to do it real easy, I might as well share. I did it all in Keynote. All of our videos have been shot with the iPhone and edited in iMovie. So go ahead, have at it. I'll loop the green screen a few times at the end of this. So, all right, have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.